Hey guys, today I want to review Armageddon 2007, the last pay-per-view of 2007. There's a front cover with Batista in the war-ravaged city with a gas mask in his hand. The most devastating wars are fought over championship gold. That's what it says there. That's the side. This is the back. Have Orton and Jericho, Batista, Edge and Taker, MVP, Rey Mysterio behind the sticker there, Mr. Kennedy, Shawn Michaels, and Mickey and Beth Phoenix. I'll read this out to you. Chris Jericho attempts to save us from the WWE Champion Randy Orton. The war between Batista and Undertaker escalates with a new combatant, Edge, in the picture. And any friendship that existed between Triple H and Jeff Hardy vanishes when they clash for a title shot. Armageddon arrives for the superstars of Raw, SmackDown and ECW. Okay, the matches are WWE Championship match, Randy Orton versus Chris Jericho. Controversial end to that match. Triple threat match for the World Heavyweight Championship, Batista versus Edge versus Undertaker. Another controversial end to that match. One Edge is better than three. That's all I'm going to say. Number one contender match for the WWE Championship. Triple H versus Jeff Hardy. CM Punk and Kane versus Big Daddy V and Mark Henry. Shawn Michaels versus Mr. Kennedy. Very good match. Finlay versus Great Khali. Wasted time. WWE Women's Championship match. Beth Phoenix versus Mickie James and the United States Championship match. MVP versus Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio most of the time doesn't go for United States Championship, so that was pretty bizarre. That's the disc, and behind the disc is the front cover, and they're all the matches in order. Good DVD, very good pay-per-view, I think. Yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Recommend you to get this, by the way. Bye.